Hey everybody. All right, Picado number 3. I'm super excited about sharing this with you because actually I get to share with you that I need to practice this, okay? So I'm not very good at this. I'm not very good at the chord, okay? Because I figured out this and I never do this chord. It's 11, 9, 11, 12. And I don't have that chord very well. So I just want to share with you that, and that I'm going to actually alter what's written in the music, okay? To get to this properly, because what we don't want to do is create bad habits, okay? So I'm going to change the timing so I can stay in time, and then I got to slowly work on this. I'm going to show you exactly. So we have this, and then I have to get to here. So I have to change from here, and I'm going to have to practice that just a bunch on my own. So just so you can recognize that, like every exercise that I give, you might have other things you have to practice alone. You have to isolate that, take it out, and just work on that to get that, okay? And so this is one example for me that, because I wanted to give you a high version of this chord, a unique one, and I've never done this one. So I almost have it on that up 8th note, but I'm going to make it to the following quarter note. So I'm going to go. See how it falls on the downbeat as opposed to the upbeat before that downbeat, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I think I have enough reps that I can almost do it on the 8th note. Let's see. 3, 4. There we go. So I can do it that slow, but I'm not going to be able to do it at this fast tempo. So now we're going to take it up to the fast tempo, a 112, which isn't super fast, but it's just a little speedy, okay? I'm going to put it on that downbeat. Here we go. But see, that way I get good reps, good repetitions of getting into this chord. If I went the 8th note there, I'd be screwing it up, and then I'd be getting wrong muscle memory, which there isn't muscle memory, it's motor memory. But I'd be getting wrong muscle memory, imprint, and I don't want to do that. So I'm altering to the downbeat, okay? Feel free to do that stuff, okay? These aren't set in stone. I want you to do this stuff well, and you need to alter things to make adjustments within your capacities. Do that, please, okay? That's a huge lesson. So, okay? Enjoy the work. Let me know what questions you have. I hope you have all the tab and everything, and we're going to move on to more picado. More picado! All right.